Hello guys, welcome back to the Debug Arena. In today's video, I will try to solve this error cannot find module app.js. So here you can see I am trying to run this command node app.js, but I am getting this error that my node.js is not able to find this app.js. So let me first tell you that there can majorly be two reasons why we are getting this error. The first one will be that we are in the wrong location or we are trying to access the wrong file. That is, currently I am inside job portal backend and here I am having only this much folder. There is no app.js. So it is obvious I will get the error. So if you can see here, my app.js is inside src. Here app.js is. So how I can access that? Either I can move to src, then run this command, or I can write here node, then specify the correct location, that is src/app.js. Then this will start working. The other way is that I have made some changes. Okay, so let me just stop the server, run it again, and now you can see I'm getting this error again, cannot find module, and this time the module name is db. Okay, and this error I am getting inside this file utils dbutils.js. So let me just go there, utils dbutil.js, and here you can see this is my import, and inside config I am having a db. Still I am getting this error. It is because if in node.js you are using type as module, then you will have to specify the full name of the file along with the extension. That is, if I go to dbutil.js, you can see here I have written db, there is no .js. So let me just add .js. I will save this. I will come here, stop the server, run the server again, and you can see it start working. Thank you for watching the video.